Racing Chance is started. We have Senorita Alessi, Mr. Environment, Zordo, what is done on the inside. Aba, teka. Comes next Paminsan, while Golden Araziva is the early trailer by about 4 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Mr. Environment, Sordo War is running by the Relaba. Teka, in between horses, on the outside now is Paminsan, then next on that is Senorita Alessi, while Golden Arazi is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. Half-mile distance they traveled. We have Mr. Environment maintaining a length lead, moving up down on the inside is Sword over Paminsan, is on the outside. Abateka comes next, then followed by Senorita Alessi, while Golden Arazi still racing in less. And at the far turn, we have Mr. Environment is still in control, maintaining a length lead. Zordo are in second. Abateka, Senorita Alessi comes next. Then on the outside, Paminsan, Golden Arazi. And as they swing for Roma, we have Mr. Environment moving up down on the inside. Is Zordo our last 100 meters. We have Mr. Environment, Sword over, Mr. Environment, Sword over, Mr. Environment. We have Sword over Mr. Environment. Then comes Senorita Alessi, Abateka, Paminsan, and Golden Arazi.